In this video, you're just watching, you're not actually writing this down, and it's going to be short. I just need you to see what's going to happen here. In the next video, you're actually going to write the math for it, okay? So we've done this before, y equals mx plus b, where the number with x is the slope, and the number not with x is the y-intercept. And today you're going to see basically how the line changes when you change the slope and the y-intercept, which is what the next video is about. Here, I just want to give you a visual. So for example, b is the y-intercept, which now is 0, because this line crosses at 0. But basically, if I move this line to positive, the y-intercept will move up. So the more I move it up, it continues to go, it continues to go up, or if I move the y-intercept down, it'll cross the y-axis down. So the only thing b does, the number not with x, is it moves the line up and down. That's all it does. See? Whee! Okay, so I'm going to put it back at 0. The slope is the one that's a little bit harder, okay? This is, actually I'm going to move it forward so you can kind of see it here. I'm going to put it to 1. Okay, so this is 0 slope. Now you can tell that because m is 0. 0 slope, okay? So if it's 0, it's flat, okay? But the further I get away from 0, the steeper that line gets. That's what the slope is. Remember the rate of change. It gets steeper, and it even works with negative. So let me show you. I go back to 0 slope, okay? And even if I go negative, the further away I get to 0, the steeper that slope gets until it gets super, 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 super steep, okay? So that's what you're going to be seeing. I just want to give you a visual here that the closer to 0 the slope is, the flatter it gets, and the further away, the steeper it gets. So you could have a line get steeper and move down some. Or you could have a line get flatter and move up some. Okay? So that's what the next note video is going to be about. So just looking at that, go to your next note video, write down the notes that I give you, and then you should be able to complete your assignment. If you have questions, let me know.